Question: does a Cricut machine come with any accessories? Answer: it depends on the Cricut machine and its features, that the accessories should be included or not. For example, some Cricut Maker companies provide replacement blades or specialty blades, but the Cricut Explore Air does not require these accessories as they do not have different blades. Some companies provide accessories like replacement blades, specialty blades, materials, a scoring stylus, and other supplies, but they charge extra money for the accessories. The Cricut Maker package includes two 12x 12 inches mats, a fine point blade, a rotary blade, a black fine point pen, and some small material for practice. Meanwhile, Cricut Explore Air 2 comes with a pre-installed blade, 12x 12 inches standard or light grip cutting mat, a pen, and a pre-installed accessory adapter. Like this, different brands provide different accessories.